Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we're taking a look at an altcoin, Loopring. We're still deep in the crypto bear market, but Loopring has been having a huge rally. It's currently up on a daily time frame, on a weekly time frame, also on a monthly time frame. This altcoin is up 117% in the last 1 month. And in this video, we'll be taking a look at the Loopring US dollar price chart on a 3-day time frame, where we're going to face resistance as we keep pumping to higher prices in this relief rally. How high can we go before the end of the relief rally? We'll also be looking at Loopring's performance against both Bitcoin and Ethereum. Then we'll take a look at Loopring's market cap, which is currently above $550 million. How high can we go before the end of the rally? Can we see Loopring's market cap hit that $1 billion region before we start dumping to Goblin Town? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So if you want to make more money trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, if you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, and chart analysis, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like these. Let's get down to business.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Guys, we've started the year on a very bright note. Loopring has started pumping in 2023, which is a huge contrast to what we saw in 2022. 2022 was a very bearish year for altcoins. We saw Loopring lose more than 90% of its value. Right now, even with the relief rally we're currently having in the altcoin market, Loopring is still down 60.8% on a yearly time frame. But on a brighter note, we're having a relief rally in 2023. So how high can Loopring go before the end of the rally? We've seen this altcoin get to an all-time high of $3.6. That was in November 2021. Since then, we've seen it dump back to Goblin Town, getting to as low as the $0.18 region. That was a critical support level for Loopring in this bear market. We've gotten a bounce off that level yet again. We had a bounce off the $0.18 level in July 2021, and that bounce took us to a new all-time high. So as Loopring is pumping in this relief rally, where we're going to get rejected, can we even pump to new all-time highs? Guys, with altcoins, remember, never say never. Altcoins are very, very volatile, both to the upside and to the downside. In the previous bull run, we saw Loopring going from as low as the $0.02 level, rallying up to a new all-time high of $3.7, going up more than 17,922% in just 686 days. The $1,000 invested in Loopring in December 2019 would have returned $179,000 by the end of the bull run in November 2021. But for you to have enjoyed that pump to the upside, you would have had to hold Loopring through all the chaos. Right now, we've gone through the first phase of the crypto bear market, where you see altcoins dumping to Goblin Town. Loopring is currently going through a second crypto bear market, and if we take a look at what Loopring did in the previous bear market, we saw it first go down 98.65%. in the first 339 days of the bear market. Then we had a little rally that went up 223%. We thought the bottom was in, but there was one final dump to the downside that took Loopring around 258%. There was one final dump to the downside that took Loopring 258 days to dump around 81%. And in total, in the previous bull run, we saw this altcoin going down 99.19%. But what I like altcoins that even though they can dump to Goblin Town in the bear market, losing around 99.19% of their value, just like Loopring, we can see them recover all those losses by the end of the next bull run and even go to set new all-time highs. So in this relief rally, as we're pumping to higher prices, the key levels to pay attention to for Loopring: first, the $0.18 level where we bottom in this bear market. There's always a possibility that we'll go lower than that, but right now, that's currently our bear market bottom. As Loopring is pumping to higher prices, we might see it face some heavy resistance around the $0.51 level. We saw Loopring rallying to as high as the $0.51 level in August 2022, but we got rejected at that level. So right now, as we're pumping to higher prices, maybe just maybe we'll also get rejected at the $0.5 level, and if that happens, we might either come to the $0.35 level to find support, or we might go to set new lows in this bear market. The bear market is not over. Even though we're having a relief rally to the upside, let's remember the bear market can be very long. In the previous bear market, it took Loopring around 796 days for the bear market to be complete. In this bear market, since Loopring set an all-time high in November 2021, we're currently just 445 days into the bear market. So if history is anything to go by, we still have around 200 or 300 days to go in this bear market. So let's not get carried away FOMOing because we're seeing some green candles on a monthly time frame. Guys, smart investors that are holding Loopring, getting ready for the next bull run, are quietly accumulating in the bear market. They are quietly dollar cost averaging into their position. You don't want to go all in when you're buying those altcoins. You don't want to start assuming that the bottom is in. Just for the fact that you're buying these altcoins when they're down in Goblin Town doesn't mean they can't keep dumping to Goblin Town. From where Loopring is currently trading right now, this altcoin will have to go up around 786% for us to even see it setting new all-time highs. So don't think that you're going to be left behind. Don't start FOMOing thinking that, oh, you have missed the boat. There will always be another opportunity. Now, if we can blast above the $0.51 level, we still have some resistance. As we're pumping to the upside, we might still see Loopring face some heavy headwinds around the $0.85 region. We saw Loopring getting rejected at that level since February 2021, and minus the time we are pumping to new all-time highs, Loopring always having huge reactions to that price level. The highest I see us going in this relief rally before we get rejected and continue dumping back to Goblin Town is if we pump above the $1 region, we might see Loopring having difficulties getting to that $1.3 range. From where we're currently trading right now, we need Loopring to pump an additional 200% for us to get there. But guys, that will mean from the bottom where we got to in this bear market on the 1st of January 2023, when Loopring was trading around the $0.18 region, Loopring would have gone up around 600%. And for a bear market relief rally, that's something to write home about. In the previous bear market, the rally that came in for Loopring after it started dumping to Goblin Town just took Loopring around 239% to the upside. And if we're repeating what we did in the previous bear market, we should be getting ready for the end of this relief rally that is coming in for Loopring. Loopring might just start facing rejection around the $0.6 level. But I still believe we still have some juice in the tank for all coins in the bear market rally. We're still seeing them pumping on a daily time frame, on a weekly time frame, and also on a monthly time frame. If you take a look at some details about Loopring, in the last 1 year, we've seen this altcoin go from as high as $1.34 to as low as $0.18. Currently trading around $0.42, Loopring is ranked 78 on CoinMarketCap with over 244,000 people having this altcoin on their watch list. With a market cap of $558 million, Loopring has a fully diluted market cap of $577 million, and with a maximum supply of 1.3 billion tokens, more than 1.3 billion of those Loopring tokens are in circulation. 97% of the maximum supply is in circulation. Loopring is an Ethereum-based cryptocurrency token of Loopring, an open protocol designed for the building of decentralized crypto exchanges. If you want to get some LRC token for yourself in the bear market, as we're getting ready for the next bull run, if you want to buy some for yourself, holding them till they blast above the $3.7 region, maybe even getting to as high as $10 by the end of the next bull run, you can get some on Binance, on Coinbase Exchange, on Qcoin, on Kraken, on Bitfinex, on Uniswap, and guys, anywhere you get your popular altcoins. Now, if you take a look at Loopring's performance against Bitcoin, in the bull market, we were pumping to the moon, we were singing Kumbaya, but right now, we're dumping to Goblin Town, and even though Loopring has been outperforming Bitcoin and Ethereum in the last 1 week and the last 1 month, this pump is nothing to write home about. Loopring is still up around 65% against Bitcoin in the last 65 days, but for Loopring to set new all-time highs against Bitcoin, for it to even go above the level where we got to in 2021, we have to see Loopring go up 257% against Bitcoin, and for it to set new all-time highs in the future, this altcoin will have to rally up around 866%. Even though I believe that will happen at some point in time in the future, I don't think that will happen. In this relief rally, we might continue seeing Loopring outperforming Bitcoin, but ultimately, it might face rejection at some point in time, and we might continue dumping to Goblin Town. All coins are known to be volatile in the bear market. You don't want to trust all coins pumping against Bitcoin in the bear market. Guys, in the bear market, a lot of market participants are fearful. In the bear market, they have seen their altcoins lose more than 90% of its value in the last 1 year. So any small dump in the market will lead people flipping their altcoins for some Bitcoin. People run towards safety when they are scared. And safety for us in the crypto market is Bitcoin. For some other people, it's Ethereum. If you take a look at Loopring performance against Ethereum, you can see that even though we're pumping since the start of 2023, we're still down in Goblin Town. We spent majority of 2023 2022, dumping to gobbling town. Loopring lost around 80% of its value against Ethereum in 2022. But that's not all doom and gloom for Loopring, even though we expect it to continue pumping against Ethereum in this relief rally. Guys, don't get carried away by the relief rally. We might end up dumping and even setting new all-time lows in this bear market. The bear market is not over. Stay level-headed through the bear market. You want to survive the bear market, because guys, it's only those people that survive the bear market that will be able to get those 10x, 20x, even those 100x pump to the upside by the end of the next bull run. If you take a look at Loopring's market cap, currently above $500 million, we have seen the market cap even drop to as low as the $240 million region in this bear market. There's always a possibility that the bottom is not in. There's always a possibility that we might see Loopring's market cap even go below $200 million, dropping to as low as the $135 million region. But right now, as we're pumping up to the high side, let's pay attention to critical levels where Loopring's market cap might face rejection. First, we might see some hits coming around the $600 million region. If we don't blast above that level, then the odds of us coming back to either test the $243 million region or setting new all-time lows just increase by a lot. But there's always a possibility that this rally is for real, and we might see Loopring's market cap go back to that $1 billion region for the first time since April 2022. And from where we're currently trading right now, Loopring's market cap will have to rally up around 82% for us to get there. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. What would you think will happen next with Loopring in this relief rally? How high do you think this altcoin will go before the end of the rally? Do you think we can pump to as high as the $0.51 level, blast into the $0.85 level, and maybe just maybe getting to as high as $1.3 before the end of the next bull run? Are you buying more right now, getting ready for the next bull run? Or are you waiting for that one final dump to the downside? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. See you guys in my next video.